You can make $47,000 a month using a tool that 99% of people never heard of. While everyone is fighting over ChatGPT and Zapier, people are using a tool called n8n that automate their entire businesses. And guess what? They are not even programmers. And the best part, this tool is free. And I am about to show you how it works. Whether you are a complete beginner who never touched a code or a developer who tries to automate their boring tasks, this tool will blow your mind. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make a money-making automation, and I will even share the exact workflow I use in this video. So what is n8n? Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, never makes mistakes, and can handle dozens of tasks simultaneously. That's basically what n8n is. Instead of hiring someone, you are connecting apps and services together in visual flowchart. It connects over 400 different apps and services: Gmail, Instagram, Google, Slack, you name it, and you have it. Okay, getting into the screen, first search for n8n, and here you will see a login page like this. First, you have to set up an account, enter your mail, your name, and password. Click next. After that, just quickly set it up by answering these questions. You can skip it for now. Here's your interface. You can either start from scratch or test a simple AI agent example like this. Let's make our first agent. Click on the plus icon. You can trigger your agent by numerous ways, but for this one, let's go for the chat trigger. Now click back to canvas to join other components. Here, clicking the plus icon at the node of the trigger, you can add an AI agent like this. Then add a chat model. We'll use Gemini with this one. Add your credentials. Get an API key. You can get it from Google AI Studio. As for model, we'll choose 2.5 flash. Then add a simple memory block to have context for model. By default, the context window length is 5. You can change it or keep it as it is. You can also add a tool here. For example, I am adding SERP API. Do the same process as we did on the Gemini API. What SERP API does is that it scrapes the data from internet for you as per your requirements. Okay, done. Now let's test our workflow. For example, let's just type give the best restaurants in New Delhi for Korean food. Whole workflow is triggered. You can also see how it's working. SERP API is scraping, then the data is sent to Gemini for curated response. And here are the results. As you can see, there are 3 restaurants it has given me. And just like that, we have made an automation that would normally take hours to code. So how do you get started? n8n has a free tier in which you get 5,000 workflow executions per month, which would be plenty to build your first automation. You can use their cloud version if you want something simple. And if you are a technical person like me, you can self-host it yourself for unlimited usage. This is just the beginning. Once you learn the basics, you can create workflows that would automate your boring tasks and even make tools that others would pay for. I'll put the exact workflow I have made in this video in the description below. So start experimenting right away. If this video helps you see the automation in a new way, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon for more tools like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.